Are you looking? With more families skipping the cinema and opting for cozy movie nights at home, the demand for hot air popcorn poppers has surged. These machines offer a healthier, oil-free way to enjoy theater-style popcorn. Whether you're a snacker, movie buff, or just looking to impress guests, choosing the right popper is key. This guide evaluates build quality, popping efficiency, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the best hot air popcorn popper for your needs. List number: Franklin's Gourmet Popcorn Popper, 6 quarts, original stovetop popcorn maker. Though not technically a hot air popper, Franklin's Gourmet Popcorn Maker earns a spot for its traditional design and stovetop charm. Its stainless steel build ensures durability, while the hand crank mechanism evenly distributes heat, reducing burnt kernels. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, and it's compatible with your favorite oils and seasonings, making it ideal for those who enjoy full-flavored popcorn. Cleanup is relatively easy due to its non-stick interior. While it requires more manual involvement than electric hot air poppers, its old-fashioned feel and flavor pay off. If you're looking for a nostalgic popcorn experience with gourmet results, Franklin's is a top-tier choice. List number: Presto 04820 Poplit Hot Air Popcorn Popper. Compact, powerful, and budget-friendly, the Presto Poplit 04820 is a fan favorite for good reason. It uses hot air to pop kernels in under 2.5 minutes, faster than most microwave options, and can make up to 18 cups per batch. Its built-in measuring cup doubles as a butter melter for added flavor without a mess. Cleanup is simple, thanks to its sleek plastic design and built-in cord wrap. It's ideal for health-conscious snackers and small kitchens. However, it lacks an on-off switch, which means unplugging it to stop. Still, its performance, price, and ease make it one of the best hot air popcorn poppers for everyday use. List number: Presto 04821 Orville Redenbacher's Hot Air Popper 1 liter, white. Endorsed by a popcorn icon, this popper is all about performance and reliability. The Presto 04821 Orville Redenbacher's popper shares many features with the Poplight 04820, but adds a slightly more elegant, compact design.
It pops up to 18 cups in about 2 minutes and leaves behind very few unpopped kernels.
The butter melter / measuring cup and chute works smoothly, though the plastic can get hot after prolonged use.
It's an excellent option for fans of Orville Redenbacher's brand and those looking for a quick, oil-free snack.
List number: Dash Hot Air Popcorn Popper Maker. The Dash Hot Air Popcorn Maker adds a touch of retro charm to your countertop. It's available in several colors and has a small footprint, perfect for dorms, offices, and small kitchens.
It pops up to 16 cups of popcorn
using only hot air, and the included measuring cup lets you melt butter as the popcorn pops. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe parts and no oily residue. However, it occasionally leaves a few kernels unpopped and might not be suitable for large groups. If you want a stylish and functional popper at a fair price, Dash delivers. List number: VEVOR Commercial Popcorn Machine, 8 Oz Kettle, 850 watts. If you're planning frequent movie nights, parties, or even running a concession stand, the VEVOR Commercial Popcorn Machine is a powerhouse. It features an 8 Oz stainless steel kettle, capable of producing up to 48 cups per batch. With 850 watts of power and a built-in stirring system, it ensures consistent popping and delicious results. The tempered glass panels and internal lighting enhance presentation, making it a showpiece as much as a workhorse. While it's bulkier and pricier than home models, it's perfect for serious popcorn lovers or small businesses.